everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another awesome unboxing for you, and we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Guess what? I just received this yesterday. This is the Trendmood, I believe, and it has 5 or 6 items from them. And I was excited that that's what they were sponsoring this month in this volume, because I'd like to dedicate this box here specifically to my mother. She was my #1 fan, and her name is, well, I call her Mom. My kids call her Gigi, her great grandma. So all the way down, they call her Grandma. We have a lot of different terms of endearment for her, but the latest and greatest was everybody just said Gigi, for great grandma. But she was my mother, and I miss her. And we lost her to COVID on July 10th of this year, just a few months back. All right, I want to dedicate this to my mother because this was her favorite cosmetic company, her favorite company in general, that had not just makeup, it had cosmetics, it has brushes, it has a lot of stuff, and you guys are going to know who I'm talking about when I show you the first item, or when I show you the card. e.l.f. stands for eyes, lips, and face. Most people don't know that, but it does. It stands for eyes, lips, and face. And this is a 20% off skincare order for over 30. If you spend $30, you get 20% off. So it does have a code. It ends on December 31st, runs from today all the way through, and it's e.l.f. skincare. I don't know if you have to use all caps, but anyhow, if you want to head on over, I'm going to share this code with you. e.l.f. skincare will get you 20% off, but you have to spend at least $30. That's not a bad price to ask to get that 20% off. Now let's dig into the box. Okay, so we do have we have 5 items in here. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops. Very cute. It's a cute little package. Look at that. All right, that's number 1. Number 2 is, and we have 2 bottles, so we do have 2 bottles here. It is the Keep Your Balance Toner. So this is the toner. This is with it does have hyaluronic acid in it, and it's aloe and witch hazel. Okay, keep your balance, and this is the toner. It's a big bottle. This is a big bottle, you guys. 5 fluid ounces, 150 milliliters. So that's a decent size bottle of product. All right, then we have the Holy Hydration, and that is the daily cleanser. So here's our cleanser. This is what's going to be our step 1. Okay, cleansing our face, taking care of our complexion. It does have hyaluronic acid and ceramides, and this is just a daily cleanser. Not really, it is kind of liquidy, but not too much. Let's see if we have any product seals in there, and we do. Nice. Thank you, e.l.f. I appreciate it much. There's your hydration cleanser. Then you have your toner. Let's see if we got stuff on here. Oh, it's all sealed up. Thank you, e.l.f. All right. Before that, and your cleanser as well, there is a Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. And it is sealed. I'm liking this already. Not very many companies. Cruelty-free, thank you much. Skin feeling thirsty? Take a dip. It does have the little spatula. I just bought a entire little tub full of the ones that kind of look like a shovel. I don't like dipping my hands inside a product. I just think of cross-contamination. What if my daughter wants to come in here and use something I have? Even though we're related, she lives with me, it doesn't matter. I still just don't like it. I don't like cross-contamination on beauty products. All right, this is it right here. A lot of glare. Because it is one of those melts that you kind of take your nail and go backwards, or you use the little spatula that they provided for you and you kind of scoop. You do warm these up, warm this little wax in here in between your fingers, and it will melt, especially if you have heavy eye, product on your eyes, and a very thick and mascara that will not move, that's waterproof and smudge proof, and wear it for 48 hours and so forth. You use this, warm it up, it turns into almost like a liquid oil type of thing, and then work it in your eyes in the product, and then wipe it. But it smells very clean, very, very clean. And then last but not least is the Holy Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. Again, the little seal with the cruelty-free little bunny. Skin feeling thirsty? Take a dip. Do we have a... No, we do not have a little spatula in there. Doesn't matter. I just bought a whole little tub full. All right. Let's see what we got here. Same kind of tub. Just like that one. They smell similar. This one just smells a little sweeter because it's a cream. Look at that. Look at that. It's pretty. It's pretty, right? See, and I shouldn't be doing that, but I did. My mom, I would have given this entire box. I would have bought her a box. I would have bought her own Trendmood. Oh, Mother in heaven. You know I would have. Smells clean. Smells like something you would want after you cleaned and really removed all of this product that you've been wearing all day long, or only wearing because you're doing videos. Or wherever or whatever you did. You had to go run errands, you had to go to the doctors, whatever. Anyway, it smells really clean. It smells like something that I would not mind using on my face to clean it. So here's these two right here. You have your cleansing balm, you have your face moisturizer, you have your cleanser, you have your toner, and then last but not least, they gave us the hydrating booster. It's the oil. So this was not a bad box at all. I'm happy I got this one. And I will leave all the information on the products listed inside of this box. This was the Trendmood for October, the end of October. Today's the 30th. And I will see you guys in my next video. And if you got all the way to the end, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button. Try hitting that share button. Send this Trendmood video off to somebody who you think might like it. All right, you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in my next video. See ya. Bye-bye.